Hello everyone and welcome back to Minecraft Modern for Dummies, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to create your own crafting recipe with Minecraft Forge. So if you don't have your mod tutorial folder, inside your mod Minecraft tutorial package with your common proxy and your client proxy and your other package, then please go check out the tutorial for creating packages and classes and then join up here. Now in this tutorial I do want you guys to open up net Minecraft block and open up the block file and go to net Minecraft item and open up the item file, just so we've got them up here with block and item, just so we've got them for our own reference later on, which won't be that far away. So now that we're going to be adding our own crafting recipe, I want you to open up your mod tutorial Java, which should be under your folder mod Minecraft tutorial, and go down to this public load void. Now I want you to press enter on it and just have this like little space for you to be able to type stuff in. So what we're going to be doing is creating our own recipe. So we want to know what blocks we're going to use to create something. So I want to use dirt to create diamonds like we did in the first tutorial. So I want to type in item stack, like so, item stack, dirt stack. Now this just makes it so we can refer to the item easier and quicker than what it would be. So we're going to press item stack dirt stack equals new item stack, and it's going to be block dot dirt, and then put a little mark at the end, just there. And now you will get a few errors which might be confusing, but it won't be in a second. So I'm just going to take you through what all this means first. It basically means that we're going to refer to this as dirt stack instead of block.dirt. It's basically just a nickname for it, but it is required for you to do when you're inside Forge. So now I want you to go over the top of item stack and see what's wrong, what's the error for, and it's because it needs to be imported as an item stack. So we're just going to click import item stack, and as you can see it's imported net Minecraft item stack, so that's done. But now it needs block importing as well, I believe, so we're going to import block. So now we've imported net Minecraft block and net Minecraft item stack. So now we've literally got this block of dirt, but we're going to refer to it as dirt stack. So now we're going to get into creating the recipe. So the first thing you're going to need to do, well, the first thing I'll show you is a shapeless recipe. So we're going to type in game registry. But then let me just check, see if I'm spelling it right. Registry dot add there. Registry. There you go. Sorry about that. I'm terrible with spelling even when I'm copying it. But then you're going to press a full stop or dot add recipe. So we're not going to add recipe just like that. We're going to start off with shapeless recipe. So the output is going to be let me just check again, sorry about this. Here we go. Shapeless recipe, which is going to give us a new item stack. That's what we want to do. New item stack, and we're going to put in parameters again. Item dot diamond this time. Now if you just press item dot, it should give you a list of all the items. So I'm going to say, actually let's give us a golden apple. Now we only want one of them. So this is going to give us a new item stack, which is going to be a golden apple. So now we're going to see what actual item we're going to use. So inside these parameters we're going to type new item stack again, and in brackets, not block dot dirt, we're going to type in here dirt stack, and then go along to the end. Oh no, that already got done. I don't think we need this whole new item stack. I think we can literally just type dirt stack. There we go. So we're going to be creating a new shapeless recipe, and we're literally going to create a golden apple out of a stack of dirt. But it's not going to be a stack of dirt, it's just the nickname for one piece of dirt. So this means that we can put a piece of dirt anywhere in any crafting table and we'll get a golden apple out. So let's go through here and test that. So you want to click OK. Now this is going to load up your game. So I'll come back with fraps once the game's all loaded up and we're set inside the game. So I'll see you guys then. Now for some reason guys I could not show you that through Minecraft because fraps was crashing, but all you have to do is press this little play green button here where it says run client, go through, and it did work. I did test it out, but it just wouldn't let us record it, so it does let you create a golden apple with anything. So now I'm going to get into a shaped crafting recipe so we can plan out how we want to use it. So for a shaped recipe, what you want to do is type in game registry again, game registry dot add recipe, here we go, and this is the output here as it says. So it's going to be a new item stack, and it's going to give us, let's say an item, let's say a block this time. It's going to give us a block of emerald. To give us an emerald block will give us 10 of them. If you want to create your own amount, just do comma and space and then the amount you want, and here is going to be how you craft it. So for example here you're going to put 2 little quote marks or speech marks, whatever you want to call them, and now I'm going to put XX. So if you think of this, if I open up Notepad here, if you think of these things, if you've watched my previous crafting tutorial you might know what I'm on about, but if you haven't then keep watching and I'll show you. So here, these little speech marks here, if I do spaces and XX, if I do 3 X's actually in little spaces here, like so, you've just got to think that they're vertical instead of being horizontal. So for example here, these 3 X's are going to be like this, and it's a crafting square, like your crafting table. So you've got your 3 across and 3 down, so top row, second row, third row. It's as simple as that, so you put whatever you want in. So I'm going to leave all these blank and just put 2 there and 2 in the middle row. So if we get rid of that and you look at this, basically it says that we're going to have 2 dirt on top of 2 dirt. So this can be put in any 4 blocks of a crafting square, or even your just 4 little bits inside your inventory. So if you put a comma and a space, you can then type in these 2 little single marks. Instead of the speech mark you just want little quote marks instead. And now we're going to put X there and say comma space, let me just do that there, and say that this X is actually a dirt stack. So it's a piece of dirt. X is a piece of dirt, so you need 4 pieces of dirt in that formation. So dirt, basically just 2 dirt on top of each other like that. Doesn't matter where it's placed as long as it's that formation, and then you'll get 10 blocks of emerald. I'll see you inside the game if it works this time. If it doesn't, then I'll come back and tell you if it's worked or not. But I hope you guys are following along and testing the same, so I'll see you guys inside the game. So here we are guys, we're actually inside the game now. We've got 4 blocks of dirt, we're going to put it in our crafting square, and boom, 10 emeralds. Well, 10 blocks of emeralds, you can obviously put that there and get more. So it doesn't matter whereabouts you place these 4 blocks, it'll just obviously still count. But if I get 5 actually and show you the fact that the golden apple does work, oh sorry, it won't work at the moment because I've deleted it from the class, but as long as you put 4 blocks of dirt anywhere in the crafting thing, it can be in a crafting grid as well, but then you'll get your 10 emerald blocks. So this is the end of this tutorial guys, but thank you all for watching. If you want to tune in next episode and see how to create your own furnace recipes, then please feel free to do so. I'll see you guys then.